Hello guys, this is EgboJ20 back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you the reason why you should not buy the Caviar smartphones. So anyway, just be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell for more videos, and like this video and probably leave a comment as well. Okay, so there's a company called Caviar that makes premium versions of smartphones, which we already know, such as Samsung and mostly iPhones. They also make premium versions of AirPods, PS5, and other things like Nike and watches and more. But in today's video, I'll be telling you the reason why you should not buy any smartphone or tech products from the Caviar website. Well, the reason why you should not buy any tech product and particularly smartphones from the Caviar website is the fact that in the end of the day, even after you buy this stuff, there's nothing that changes. Like, you don't get any extra features or anything else. You're just getting the same thing. Like buying the iPhone 12 from Caviar, that's worth thousands upon thousands of dollars, and at the end of the day you're just getting the same features as a normal iPhone that costs way less than the price seen on the Caviar website. And this also applies to like the PS5 and Samsung phones and even AirPods as well, when you can just buy these for way lower than what you see on the site and still get the same quality. Forget that Caviar phones are expensive. The only reason why these products are priced very high is the fact that they use diamonds, they use gold and other precious resources to make their phones and other tech products as well. And the fact that they also make their products to be in limited quantities as well. And Caviar phones were also made for people who have money, who are able to buy these phones. These are who these type of phones and other products are here for. They're not for the average consumer. But in the end of the day, there is one thing we don't look at when it comes to these Caviar products. Let's say now that you're able to get your hands on one of these Caviar products. As I said, they make their products in limited quantity. So let's say that you're able to get one of their products that's very limited and it gets sold out on their site. One thing you could actually do is to sell this for higher than you got it for. You can actually auction it and make more money, if you get what I'm trying to say. But I don't really recommend any of you buying any of the Caviar products, because in the end of the day, as I said, you're not getting anything different. You're just getting the same thing as something that you'd get with the original product. Like if you, as I said, if you bought a PS5 or an iPhone 12 from Caviar, there's nothing different from the original PS5 and the original iPhone. And if they put some unique things apart from the design, like some unique features in the Caviar phones or Caviar products, then it would be worth its value. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Be sure to like this video, comment as well, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell for more videos. I hope I see you guys next time. Peace out.